People in Loughton, this is for you. Now, Loughton is in Essex and it's on the outskirts of East London. Borders areas like Woodford, Buckhurst Hill and Epping Forest. Now, to me, it's a nice area and it has some really nice houses equally. This video isn't for the people who live in those really nice houses. This video is for the people who come from outside of Loughton and they congregate outside of coffee shops like Cafe Nero and they sit outside restaurants drinking tea all day. Now, to me, Loughton is not a middle class area. It's too mainstream for that. A middle class area is an area like Whetstone, Notting Hill or Muswell Hill. I believe the people who've come from outside of Loughton, who congregate outside these coffee shops, have brought the area down. And I've had a few reports and experienced a slight snobbish air to these people. Now, to me, they have brought the area down because they are not upper class as what they think they are. They are what I regard as working class posh. It's people who are working class but who have come into a bit of money through business or however, they've come into a bit of money. And now they think they have moved up a level on the totem pole. And it doesn't really go that way. It is possible to migrate from working class to middle class. That is possible. But not just because you've bought a nice car and now you've got a bit of money. That doesn't make you middle class. You know you're from a working class background if you have a name like Chelsea, Mason, or Ashley. Those are like typical working class names. If you're from the middle class background, you probably have a name like Matilda, India, or Pippa. You probably went to private school, you probably played an instrument, and you probably are well spoken. Middle class people don't come out with statements like, do you know what I mean? Listen, you can buy a nice car and you can buy a nice house, but you cannot buy class.